Aluminum foil has numerous applications. It's useful for more than just making hats. Of course, there are numerous other versatile materials available, but aluminum foil is without a doubt one of the best. It can be used not only in creative homemade solutions, but also in a variety of professional products because it reflects heat and light and acts as a barrier and insulator. Aluminum foil is one of our favorites, and we have a lot of great tips and tricks for using it. We can't wait to share them and spread the word about this fantastic, low-cost product. Prepare for 15 brilliant uses for aluminum foil that will save you time, money, and sometimes even a lot of effort. 1. Soften brown sugar. After a while, brown sugar becomes rock solid. But that doesn't mean you should throw it away. Wrap some aluminum foil around your brown sugar and place it in the oven. After that, bake the sugar for about 5 minutes at very high temperatures, and your brown sugar will be soft and ready to use again. 2. Piping bag. Adding a creative topping to cakes and cupcakes is a fantastic idea. You also don't have to buy expensive piping bags from the supermarket for this. Simply form your own piping bag out of a sheet of tin foil. The best part is that you can make the opening as large or small as you need it to be in order to create toppings exactly how you want them. 3. Shine silverware. Aluminum foil is an excellent tool for restoring the luster of your silverware. Simply place a sheet of tin foil at the bottom of a heat-resistant kitchen container. Then, on top, sprinkle with 2 teaspoons of salt and baking soda. After that, simply pour a few cups of hot water into the container and submerge the silverware completely. Allow everything to soak for about 5 minutes, then rinse with cold water and you're done. Shiny, gleaming silverware. 4. Clean cast iron. Form a tin foil ball and use it to scrub crusty cast iron pans. This is a simple but effective trick. 5. Sharpen scissors. If your scissors are dull, simply take a piece of tin foil, fold it in half several times, and use the scissors to make a few cuts through the foil. You won't believe how effective this is. Your scissors will be noticeably sharper, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. 6. Protect pie crust. Before putting your pie in the oven, wrap it in tin foil around the edges. It will not only add stability and prevent a potential mess, but it will also ensure that the edges are not burned. If you want your pie to be nice and crispy, remove the tin foil halfway through the baking process. Alternatively, if the edges of your pie appear to become too dark while baking, you can use aluminum foil as an emergency measure. 7. Foil funnel. We've all experienced how inconvenient it is to pour liquid into a bottle. Did you know that making a little funnel out of tin foil is one of the simplest ways to avoid a mess? All you have to do is shape a cone and place it in the bottle. It will make pouring much easier and will almost certainly prevent a massive unnecessary mess. 8. Kitchen helper. Tin foil is great for baking and can be used in a variety of recipes. When baked in tin foil pouches, salmon fillets, in particular, come out perfectly moist and tasty. Excellent for preventing them from burning or drying out. There is also no need to be concerned about possible safety issues. Tin foil is completely safe to use at high temperatures. 9. Keep food hot. This little trick is well known. Tin foil's reflective properties make it ideal for keeping things warm. Simply wrap whatever food you want to keep warm in tin foil and you'll get great results. Excellent for ordering from restaurants or food delivery services. 10. Prevent a mess. Tin foil can be used to keep a mess from forming in your oven. Simply place a sheet of tin foil on a rack beneath whatever you're baking, and you'll be safe if something bubbles over or falls off. This is excellent for preventing food from burning when it comes into contact with the hot oven floor. When you're finished, simply remove the tin foil. There is no need to scrub. 11. Take it camping. Tin foil is an excellent camping tool, which is why many experienced campers always bring some with them. It's ideal for grilling potatoes or canned goods. Simply wrap whatever you want to heat in tin foil and place it directly on the campfire. Tin foil, which reflects light, can be used as a signaling tool in an emergency. 12. Boost your indoor seedlings. Indoors, seeds require as much light as they can get. Tin foil can help you increase the amount of natural light in your home. You can use tin foil to line a small box and use it as a base for your seedlings. With this simple setup, your seedlings will grow faster and better because the foil can reflect light as well as heat. 13. Painting helper. Tin foil is extremely useful if you intend to paint your home. It can be used to protect doorknobs and light switches from contact with paint. What a fantastic way to save time and energy. One of the main reasons this is such a great trick is that tin foil can be folded into any shape you want. And once folded, it does an excellent job of maintaining its shape. When you're finished, simply peel away the foil and any paint that is dripped onto it. 14. Freeze it. Tin foil can be used to freeze dishes because it prevents the passage of air, which helps food retain its flavor. It also aids in the prevention of odors. Wrap whatever you wish to freeze in heavy-duty tin foil. It makes no difference if you want to freeze bread, meat, or something else. Tin foil is always willing to assist. 15. Easy breezy cleanup. Tin foil, like the oven trick we discussed earlier, can be used to protect large, difficult-to-wash pans from grease, burning, and other difficult-to-clean residues. Simply line the bottom of your roasting pan before roasting your favorite meat in it. When you're finished cooking, your pan is clean and only needs a quick rinse. No more scrubbing required before putting the pan back in the cupboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.